Hiring the wrong roofing contractor isn't just frustrating. It can cost you your roof twice. Because what most homeowners don't realize, the difference between a good roof and a bad one usually isn't the shingles, it's who installs it. Hey, welcome back to the Roof Lab. If you're getting ready to replace your roof or even just getting started to get quotes, this video will walk you through exactly how to choose the right roofing contractor and what mistakes to avoid along the way. Let's start where most homeowners go wrong. They focus on the lowest price, the fastest timeline, or just who shows up first, and on the surface that makes sense. But here's the problem. Roofing is not a commodity. Two companies can offer what looks like the same roof and deliver completely different results. So here are 5 red flags to pay attention to. 1. No detailed scope of work. If everything is vague, you don't actually know what you're getting. 2. Reusing materials. Things like flashing or vents being reused just to cut costs. 3. High pressure cells. If you fail for us to sign, that's a problem. 4. Vague or confusing warranties. If they can't clearly explain what's covered and what's not, that's a risk. 5. No real inspection process. If they just glance at your roof and throw out a number, they're guessing. So what should you actually be looking for? 1. A full inspection, not just on the surface, but the entire system, including the attic. 2. A clear, detailed scope. You should know exactly what's being replaced and why. 3. A system-based approach. Roofing isn't just shingles. It's ventilation, flashing, underlayment, everything working together. 4. Communication. You should feel informed, not confused. 5. Accountability. Who's responsible if something goes wrong? Because at the end of the day, you're not just buying a roof, you're trusting a company to protect your home. So before you hire a contractor, ask these 5 questions. 1. What exactly are you replacing on my roof? 2. What's included, what's not? 3. Who will actually be doing the work? 4. What does your warranty really cover? 5. And what happens if there's an issue later? If a company can't answer those clearly, that's your answer. At the end of the day, this isn't about finding the cheapest contractor. It's about finding the right one. Because a roof done right is something you should never have to think about again. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.